Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will be going through Cambridge Law Secondary Progression Test of Year 7 from 2022. This is also helpful for a year 2023, right? So this is paper 2. So the first question that I have here is Jamia picks a card at random from these cards. So we have these cards here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Find the probability that she picks a card with an odd number. So with an odd number, how many odd numbers do we have? What are the odd numbers? First of all, odd numbers are the numbers that are not divisible by 2. So we have 5 here and we have 7. So there are 2 out of how many? 5. So probability is going to be 2 over 5, right? Now, part 2, find the HCF highest common factor, that is HCF of 36 and 63. So for the HCF, you take these two numbers, then you divide, you take a number that divides both of them and take the prime factors usually. Divide by 2 first, 36 divided by 2, 18, then 2 times 3, this is not divisible by 2, so we have to take 3 here. We have to take only those numbers here which can divide both of them for HCF. For LCM you can take the other one. For HCF 3 times 1 here, 3 times 2, 12 times 3, 36. Then this is 21. Now again both of them are divisible by 3. 4, 3 times 7. Now 4 and 7, they are not divisible by any number like that. There is no number that can divide both of them. So HCF is going to be this 3 times 3, that is 9. So final answer is 9, right? Now number 3, Rajiv is X years old. Rajiv is twice as old as Safia. Rajiv is twice as old as Safia. Write an expression for Safia's age in terms of X. Now Safia, let's say Rajiv is twice of Safia. So if Safia's age is X, then Rajiv's age is 2X, right? That is twice. So Safia's age is going to be half of that. If this is 2X, this is half of that. So Safia is going to be X over 2, right? So now write an expression for Rajiv's age in terms of X in 3 years time, after 3 years. If Rajiv's age, let me just change this because maybe you can be confused here. So Rajiv's age is twice. If this age is X and this is X over 2, that is half of that, and this is twice of that, right? Now we have taken Rajiv's age is X, and in 3 years time, in 3 year times will be X plus 3, right? Let me explain again. Rajiv is twice as old as Safia. So we say, because this is twice, so if I take is 2X, this becomes X. So then you will get confused here. So it's better you take it as X over 2, and then twice of this is X. And this one is in 3 years time. That means after 3 years. So X plus 3. Question number 4. Complete the sentence using the correct word from the list. We are given some words here. An enlargement of the shape is always produces a dash shape to the original shape. Enlargement shape is always like a bigger shape than the other one. Let's say we have this square here. An enlargement, it may be like bigger than that or it may be smaller than that, depending upon the scale factor, right? So then you see, if you see, the shapes will always be similar. So this is the word that is going to be here, similar. You see, all others are not working here. Now number 5, find the value of a plus b over 5 when a and b, you are given the values. So we are looking for a plus b. A is now a plus b over 5. A is 11.7 plus b is 15.5 over 3, right? So 11.7 divided by 15.5 15.5 divided by 3, it is 5.1. 5.16, right? Then when you add this 11.7 plus 5.16, so this is 11.7 plus 5.16, so this is 16.86. Sorry guys, this is 5, I'm writing here 3. So this is 5 when you divide it by 5, so this is going to be 5 times 3 and 5 times 3.1. So 11.7 plus 3.1, 14.8. So final answer is 14.8, right? Now number 6, Lily has some chocolates with mass of 220 grams. She eats 30 grams of chocolate. Find the percentage of the chocolate she has not eaten. Alright, now we have to see again, she has some chocolates with mass of 220 grams. She eats, so out of 200 total she has 220 grams of chocolate. What she eats 30 grams. So what is remaining? Remaining is, you subtract that, this is 190 grams is remaining. Now we need to find out the percentage of that is not eaten. So this is remaining, so that means 190 over out of the total was 220 times 100%. So this will give you the required answer. So let's see, 190 times 100 divided by 220. So this is 86.36. 86.36. So we can write it down, 86.4%, right? Now number 7, 4 kilogram of onion costs $3.40. Find the cost of 3 kg of these onions. Now 4 kg of onions cost $3.40. Find the cost of 3 kg of onions. So just cross multiply. So x times 4 is equal to 3 times 3.40 over 4 over 4. So now when you calculate, this comes out to be 2.55. $2.55, right? Question 8a. Write 15.17941 to correct to 2 decimal places. So this is 15.17941. 2 decimal places is here. So we will see, always draw a line here. Then you see this number, the next number after the line, right hand side, this is more than 5. So it will round up. So plus 1 here. So this is going to be 15.18, right? Now this one, work out, give your answer correct to 1 decimal place. So be careful while doing these calculations. So it's better at this stage you can do step by step rather than doing all the calculations together. 52.7 times 2.6 power 2. So this is 356.252 over square root of 10, square root of 110, which is 10.48. Right, now when you divide this comes out to be 33.96, approximately we can say 34, right? Now sorry, 1 decimal place. So when you round it off to 1 decimal place, this becomes 0, but you must write it down because 1 decimal place should be there, right? Now number 9, you can see this rectangle here. Find an expression for the perimeter of the rectangle in terms of b. Give your answer in simplest form. Now what is perimeter? Perimeter is sum of all sides, right? You all know that, sum of sides. So one side is 2b minus 5. So this will also be 2b minus 5, because in rectangle opposite sides are equal. If this is 8, this is going to be 8 centimeters. So now we'll just add all of them. 2b plus 5 minus 5, sorry, and again 2b minus 5, this and this, then 8 plus 8, right? So 2b plus 2b is 4b, negative 5 is 10, 8 plus 8 is 16. So this is 4b plus 6. This is the expression 4b plus 6, right? Now find the value of b when perimeter is 42 centimeters. So now perimeter is 42 centimeter, and we got the expression as 4b plus 6, that will be 42. So 4b is 42 minus 6, that is 36. Divide by 4, divide by 4. So this is 9. So b is 9. Number 10, complete the statement. 1 square centimeter is equal to how many square centimeters? So now 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, right? So 1 centimeter square means 1 centimeters times 1 centimeter. So here also other side we will do 10 millimeters times 10 millimeters. So that became 100. This is 1 centimeter square equals to 100 millimeter square. So 1 square centimeter is equal to how many? 100 square millimeters, right? Now question number 11, the diagram shows a kite. Here is a kite. Find the value of a. Now for the kite, you know that two sides are equal. This side is equal to this one, and this side, it's already shown in the diagram. So, and the property is one of the pair of the angles is equal. So this pair is equal. So if this is 115, this is also going to be 115. So A is 115 degrees, right? Find the value of B. Now B, if we have this angle, so this is also a quadrilateral. So that means sum of all the angles is equal to 360. So we will do 115 plus 68 plus 115 plus B is equal to 360, right? So now let's see, 115 plus 115 plus 68, this is equal to 298 degrees plus B is equal to 360. So B is 360 minus 298. So that means it is 62. So B is 62. Okay, 62. Question number 12. Carlos says 5.2 hours is same as 5 hours 20 minutes. Most of the students, they do this mistake. So if we split this, okay, let me complete the question first. Describe his error and give correct time for 5.2 hours in hours and minutes. So 5.2, if you split this is 5 hours plus again 0.2 hours, right? So it's not 20 minutes, so it's still in hours. So that means his error is, we can see his error is to think that there are 100 minutes in 1 hour, right? So what exactly is it? So 5 hours, correct time is 5 hours. 5 hours are there. Now this 0.2 hours can be converted by times hours to minutes by multiply by 60. So 6 times 2 is 12 and there is 1 0. So one decimal place will be here. So that correct answer is will be 5 hours and 12 minutes. Now number 13, write a number in each box to make the correct statement. So now here we have number square root is 4, cube root 4. So this can be like what number? It's 64, cube root of 64 is 4 and this 11 square is 121. Now number 14, draw a ring around each of the words with rotational symmetry of order 2. So rotational order of 2, you see this will be pod. If you rotate it will become again this. Then we have here SOS, not this one. So these two. Now write the name of the quadrilateral that has 4 equal sides and 2 lines of symmetry. That is a rhombus. Right? I hope you guys understood everything. Remaining question we will do in the next video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will wait for your comments to see that how you liked it. Thank you. See you in the next video.